everyone, it's Lisa and today is Sunday, and as I promised, I'm doing a kind of like a PR unboxing, and I will also be doing a giveaway with this video. And I was thinking, I don't have it all together, everything that I'm going to give away, but I will put a picture of that on my Instagram. So just make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure that you are subscribed here and leave a comment on both. And then I will choose a winner by Friday. Do that again. So, of course, Chanel is coming. She cannot stand it. So I have gathered up, I think, all of the PR packages that I've had sitting around. I always want to show them to you. I'm always so grateful, but sometimes they just don't fit in. This is something I just got. I did not even realize I was on the Too Faced, PR list anymore. I haven't gotten anything in a long time, but this is really cute. Let me read the card. It says, "Hey gorgeous, Jared just launched his first ever fashion capsule collection with Show Me Your Muumuu. The collection consists of 9 separate pieces, and because you're one of our favorite people, we're giving you a peek of the Too Faced times Show Me Your Muumuu exclusive pajamas. We've also included a full-size Better Than Sex mascara, so every night is full of voluptuous volume, major drama, and sweet pink dreams. XO, the Too Faced crew." And these are so cute. Brooke and I both were just like, you could wear this out. So they gave us a Better Than Sex mascara. And then these are the pajamas. I'm going to stand up and show them to you. Here are the bottoms. I love them. And they look, like they wouldn't be comfortable, but they are not. They're soft and silky. They're not scratchy at all. So here are the bottoms, and these are mediums. And then look how cute the top is. You could easily just wear this as a top, like underneath your blazer too. I just love it. I've been actually looking up metallic things. I mean, look how cute that is. I might even do that, especially like tuck it in, but just so cute. So thank you so much to Too Faced for sending that to me. And then one of my favorite brands that I have just gotten added to the PR list. Thank you to Alex, Monsieur Alex here on YouTube. He has just sent me the coolest package. Let's see, I'll try not to read it all, but I feel like I should. It says, "Dear Lisa, we are so excited that you are one of the first ever to experience our newest limited edition collaboration, House of Siage and Christian Cowan. Christian Cowan is an up-and-coming designer on the rise who famously dressed Cardi B for the debut album, Invasion of Privacy." And you can totally see that in this design. "And dresses celebrities such as Kylie Jenner, Lady Gaga, Jennifer Lopez, and more. We have collaborated with the designer to re-inspire our," let's see, let me go ahead and take this out. "Re-inspire our fragrance Passion de l'Amour into a new limited edition bottle for all, and released an amazing bow lipstick case set, blending together the inspiration of Christian Cowan's signature black and white aesthetic and our personal brand inspiration of Palace Floors of Versailles. The collection is available exclusively at Bloomingdale's and our Saks Fifth Avenue NYC flagship store. Okay, available the week of November 15th, so perfect. And so this is the fragrance, Passion de l'Amour fragrance. And you guys, look at this. This is the coolest thing, is this, you know how I showed you how you get the lipsticks in this case, and then you buy this case to go, actually you buy the case and then you buy the lipstick refills. And look at this color. Have I got it upside down? Yeah. It's gorgeous. And I will put the color and everything, all the details below. Just beautiful. A beautiful, beautiful nude. These are so nice. I mean, they're just, it's the most elegant lipstick ever, ever, ever. Way more than Louboutin or the YSL. And then here is the case that goes with it. It is this House of Siage and Christian Cowan to go with it. How bougie is that, with the mirror to put your lipstick on. So thank you so much to Alex and House of Siage, and I will wear this soon, maybe even tomorrow. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because every day I post a picture of my outfit, including my shoes and everything, and I usually try to do a face, like a selfie, so that you can see what sunglasses I'm wearing and different lip combos too. So thank you so much to House of Sillage for sending that to me. I am so flattered, thank you. And next we have some Laura Mercier, and I'm so thankful to be on the Laura Mercier PR list because that is one of my favorite lines. I mean, just to tell you a few of my favorites would be Plumberry lip liner, Hazelnut Tea lip liner, their lipsticks, even the new ones are just, all of their lipsticks are really nice. Of course, I really miss the Classic Beige and Rich Vanilla Mineral Powder. I'm hoping that somehow they will come out with something to go with that. Let's see, I can't think of anything else right now. I know I love their face scrub, but anyway, one of my favorite lines. Oh, and their eye pencil, the All Natural, and the, oh my goodness, what's the other one? Not taupe, but something like that. I'll put those down below. So they sent me a few things from their fall lines. Nothing compliments a fall better than a bold lip and warm cheek. Okay, so they sent me this red velvet lip liner, longwear lip liner. They sent me this lip glossé, which is opal. Let's look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I'm gonna have to swatch this. Beautiful. I know glosses don't seem to show up as much. Okay, and then this is another longwear lip liner in Rosewood. Okay, let me swatch Rosewood because I think Rosewood is going to go awesome with that lip liner or that lip gloss. Yes, gorgeous. Okay, and then this is what goes with the other is Rouge, Rose Rouge. Okay, and I'm so into like this right now, so this is perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that other lip liner because it goes with this. And this lip liner is Red Velvet. Yep, so that is that lip combo, gorgeous. And then the blush that they sent me is Fresco, which is one of their blush color infusion, and this is a really good one. It is a nude, if I remember correctly. Yes. Oh, I can't wait to use this. See, I put everything aside. I don't use it because I want to be able to show you, and then it freaks me out when I see stuff sitting there. It's like, you know, I want to show you and be able to start using it, and I don't want to seem ungrateful. That is so pretty. So thank you so much to Laura Mercier. I love being on their PR list. And Laura Mercier, there's going to be some things in my giveaway from them because they have sent me some things that I already have. So that'll be great. I'll put a few Laura Mercier things, and I think they gave me a hydrating primer that probably wouldn't be for me. So that will be in there. And like I said, I'll post a picture soon. And then the next thing is from Colleen, and I have been so excited to try this, but here's a little skincare update. And I will put my video that goes with this little update up here. I've been wanting to do this, so I'll go ahead and include it in this video. I have been loving the Monat skincare. I have gone to order the eye cream, I don't know how many times, and it was on back order, so I will look before I post this video and see if it's still there. So the eye creams that I've been using are the Kiehl's Avocado. I use that in the morning, and then I use the Skin Medica TNA at night, which is supposed to, it has like a little bit of retinol that addresses the wrinkles underneath your eyes. And I've been using the Triluma that I told you about, and I used just those things for a month, like I told you, until the beginning of November. And I noticed that the Triluma definitely works slower than if you were to use like the Obagi blender with your, you know, True Retin-A mixed in with it, even though Triluma does have the Retin-A. But I do notice it works a little bit slower, but it does work. I don't know if you've noticed how much that little spot has gone away. Even this is fading. So what I like about the Triluma though is it's not making my face just peel and peel and peel all the time. It's working a little bit slower, but a little more gently. But what I did notice is I was missing that, you know, I felt like my skin wasn't coming off easy enough, and I felt like it was looking a little congested. So I did add in something that I bought when I was in Miami. And you guys have told me about this for so long, and it was something that you had to order, and I just was unfamiliar with it. But it is the, I'm not going to be able to remember it. It's an exfoliant, and it's kind of like the Paula's Choice thing that I use that has glycolic. But let me go get it real quick. Hold on. And I just noticed I don't have earrings on too, so I grabbed some earrings. It is the Lotion P50 from Biologic Richerie or whatever. But when we were in Miami and we did that video down in the spa, they carried this line, so I grabbed it, and I was thinking it would be something similar to the Paula's Choice. Now I have not read up on it. I think one of them, this one, let's see, it's P50 is a vitamin-enriched exfoliating lotion that helps gently purify, tone, hydrate, and maintain the acid pH of the epidermis, recommended for seborrheic and or keratinized skin yeah. So anyway, it's going to exfoliate, and I think it might be a little bit stronger than my Paula's Choice, because I'm going to put these little earrings on. Let's see how this focuses. Little pave studs. But it seems to, like, I don't know if you've ever had a peel at the med spa, and it gets that tingling, almost itching, burning, weird feeling. That's what it does. So I think it's a little bit stronger than the Paula's Choice, but I am using it in the same way. I use it in the morning as like a toner, and I've noticed a big difference. So right now I'm using the Monat, I'll put everything down below, the Monat Skincare. I'm using this, the Triluma, and the eye creams, and I'm going to keep on with that until, let's see, this is November, probably until I run out of that Triluma, because you're not supposed to keep on using that forever. You use that tube and then you move along. So I figured I would try this next, and it's Colleen Rothschild. She sent out her new Micro Mineral Duo featuring rose quartz. And let's see, Micro Mineral Soothing Toner, Micro Mineral Resurfacing Scrub. This introductory offer, okay, so it has all this stuff with it. I don't want to spend too much time, but she sent me her super soft cotton squares. These are just like the Shiseido, but better. They're so awesome. And then she sent me this, which is, okay, oh yeah, this is the, yes, this is one of those little key things that when you're using your salicylic acid or retinol cream from her, or any of your tubes, you put this along the bottom, and then you can get every single bit out of it. And then these are the star products here. The Micro Mineral Soothing Toner, which I could still use this. Maybe I could use this at night. I just don't want to use the strong toner type thing with the Triluma. So I could still use this. And then this is, and I can still use this too. This is the Micro Mineral Resurfacing Scrub. We'll try this too. This might be something good I can use in the shower at night. I try to use a little bit. Yeah, this has got rose quartz, malachite zinc, and alumina in it. So this would be something I would use in the shower, because I use something a little bit stronger in the shower. So yes. So I will go ahead and try these too, and then I'll do a skincare update soon and let you guys know. And then all of it came with this awesome little tray, which I love, because this is what I use when I do tutorials, because I like to stack up all my stuff, bring it out here, and then be able to take it back. So thank you so much to Colleen. She has done such a good job. I'm so proud of you, and I'm honored to be on your PR list. Okay, we'll stand up. The next thing is this huge, nice Paracone package that I got, and let me unwrap it with you. It is Paracone MD. Am I going to be able to undo this? Let me see if they really tied it here. I think they did. Let's see if I can get into it without cutting it. Okay. So this is the Paracone MD High Potency Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. I can see my skincare thing growing right now. Okay, so they sent me their High Potency Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. And let's look at this. Polyamide Growth Factor Eggshell Membrane Encapsulated Retinol. That sounds serious. Okay, and it comes like this, like in a serum with a dropper. Okay, and then they sent me their book, #1 New York Times bestseller, The Wrinkle Cure, Unlock the Power of Cosmeceuticals for Supple, Youthful Skin, Nicholas Perricone. Neat. Brooke will love this. Brooke loves skincare. But this is really neat. I already saw an instant anti-aging facelift. And it shows how the different products work. And then this is, goodness, it's Skin and Total Body. Nourishes the body and skin. Dietary supplements. Contains 60 packets. Each packet contains 3 soft gels, 2 capsules, and 3 caplets. So this is their vitamins. It's Skin and Joint Essentials, Derma Glow, Calcium and Magnesium, and Omega-3. This is so cool. And I think that's it. I think that is all that I have to show you. I will come right back with an outfit of the day. So today I just put on a t-shirt that I've had. I think I got it at Oliver. I can't remember, but I've got it tucked in, but I like the ones that are just kind of boxy in this length anyway. And then this is a blazer. I don't know if I've shown this to you guys. Does it have pockets? They might be fake pockets. But it's an inexpensive blazer. It's from Boohoo, but it's perfect because it's better for these days when I'm wanting a more casual look. It's a little bit more flowy. It's very just easy to wear because it's thinner and it's just long. I love it. So it's perfect when I'm just doing more of a casual outfit. It's not so tailored, but yet it's still long. And then these pants are the joggers from Costco. Now these are the mediums. If you want them to be baggier than this, you might want to size up. I hope they still have them. I got them probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I wanted mine a little bit more fitted because I wanted to wear them in this way. And then I love like the long cuff at the bottom, and then these are the Rag & Bone booties, Ellis booties, and these are still on sale in the black and in the cream color. So this is the outfit of the day, and I have been really loving my peekaboo. This is a new strap. Sheila went to London and prices are just better over there, and so I paid for it, but she picked this up for me over there, and it's just the canvas Fendi strap, and I love it. I like it so much more than the wrappy things that go around here because that just started to come unwrapped, and this just adds just something to it, and I actually do love using the strap. Let's see, because I feel like it just adds, you know, something to the bag and something to the outfit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you to everyone for sending me these great products. Thank you to Dr. Perricone. I really appreciate all this stuff. I want to look through that book tonight, and I will share anything I learn with you. And don't forget to follow me here, follow me on Instagram, subscribe here, leave a comment on both, and I will announce the winner on Friday. Thank you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.